Hi there, my name is Chibuzo Miriam Azubike, the author of The Girl Who Found Water. I learned a lot from the Connect Nigeria writing conference last year. At first, I thought getting my book published was like an impossible mission because of the high cost I've been hearing from several other publishers. But then I met published writers who talked about how you could just go to instant.com, how you could also do printing on demand, how you could actually economize with the little budget you have and then still come out with a very great work. So with Connect Nigeria, I learned how to actually get my book out with a very low budget, and not just any book out, a quality book that would fly. So I look forward to an event this year where so many other great writers will come, and then upcoming writers too. I would really advise you to attend this event so that you can get inspired and then meet the right people who would guide you through publishing your book so that your book would be a success.